Right, and welcome back to another Coins to Collect video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm mixing up the format a little bit, but just to let you know before we get started that these coins have been sitting on my floor for a couple of weeks and they're absolutely freezing. So I'm wearing the gloves. The gloves are staying on, and I don't care if you like them or not, they're here. I am using the gloves. End of. The only other thing is, just to let you know, is I just found this nut and bolt on the floor. I'm assuming it's come from my chair, so if you hear a little scream, a crash and a bang, that means my chair has just collapsed and I've gone flying backwards. Anyway, so let's roll the title sequence and I'll tell you about this new format. Alright, so we're continuing with book 2. I finally found my silver pen and wrote on the book. Book 2, 50p coins. We're looking for a Suffragettes. Looking forward to finding that one. I love the Suffragettes one. Of course, the Kew Gardens. Loads of Olympics. And a WWF. Lots more Olympics. Loads of Olympics. More Olympics. Looking for a Puddle Duck. Looking for a Nutkins. Newton, a rabbit, a Flopsy, a Tittlemouse, and we've got everything else up to the 70th anniversary. I should just say actually, the reason why it's so cold, or the coins are so cold, because it's actually the 12th of December when we had the snow. So this is how long ago I did this hunt. Anyway, I've just recently found my first Pride coin in my change. So unfortunately, I'm not going to put that in my book. But yeah, just thought I'd show you, let you know. A certain poet sent me a sticker and a pressed penny. Pocket poet. There we go. Nice one. We're talking about coins and I've just smudged me silver. That is going to annoy me. How have I done that? With a glove, maybe? Anyway, first Pride coin. Lovely little gift from Pocket Poet. Very nice, thank you. Experimental format. Sorry, I'm really rambling now. So, what I'm going to do, a bit inspired by Al from Absolute Coins, doing £100 at a time. So what we're going to do every night this week, I'm going to do 100 quid and I'm going to get through these 2 bags of £500. So Monday to Friday, all this week, £100 every night. Easy, simple. See how it goes, see if you like this sort of thing. Maybe we carry it on. I'll get your feedback and then we'll go from there. Alright, so first £100. Gonna push these to the back, take 5 bags at random. Correction, hang on, I've just worked it out, sorry. Correction, first 10 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So those tomorrow night. That's my 10 bags right there. Let's put them over that side. Okay, let's do this. See what we can find. The plan will be to sort of leave them on the desk as well. And you know, just build it up as we go throughout the week. So first one is obviously Britannia's shield there. That is a 2019 shield. Not really looking for many. Well, no, that's ridiculous. So with the shields, I'm looking for the year 2017 because that's a low mintage year. But I'm also looking for the years 9, 10, 11, 16 and 18 because they were years that the coins were not intended for circulation, so they are very rare finds. I'm still looking for any shields from 2000 onwards. So, gotta find some of them soon. Gotta find some of them soon. They're probably out there. I'm sure other people have found them. Just not me. This bag is dated the 4th of the 11th, 2020. So, not so long ago for me. A bit longer for you guys watching this video. So, I don't know what was found. I can't think what was released at the end of October, or if anything was released. When did the Pride coins come out into circulation, I wonder? Is there any possibility that I could find them in this bag? Probably not. Oh my words, look at that beautiful coin. How fantastic. I found a 2020, which I haven't turned over yet. Just found an Isaac Newton. How fabulous. That's I guess that'll be my first commemorative, but let's finish these off and we'll have a better look at that Newton. Oh, that is fantastic. Wowee. So what was the 2020? Oh no, the 2022. Sorry, silly old me. And that is, of course, it's the 70th anniversary. Yay. I already have the 70th anniversary in a proof format, so yeah, nice. Go and watch the other videos to see how I found that. Anyway, so 70th anniversary, and a bit grubby, just a little bit grubby. It's very grubby this side actually, but that's okay. It is a Newton. Look at that. I am very happy with that. That is a great start to this week. Let's hope by the end of the week we got some Olympics and some rare potters to add to that. That is pretty cool. First Benjamin Bunny. There we go. Benjamin, I'll be signing that and putting that back into the wild at the end of the week, I think. At the end of the week. More shields. And Britannia's had another bus bag. That is a very shiny shield. 2019 though. Just because it's shiny, I can't keep it. I wish I could. Just because it's shiny. Alright, there we go. The Commonwealth Games 2014. Nice one. Nice and shiny. Good condition, that one. But pretty common coin. Nothing special. Hey, nice one. My favourite Peter Rabbit. Let's get rid of these last two Britannias. There you go. My favourite Peter Rabbit. 2016. Nice. Not exactly valuable, but my favourite Peter Rabbit design. Medals. Victoria Cross medals to finish that bag. Nice one. I might actually organise these at some point. Oh, I got the other Victoria Cross coin. That is the Heroic Act. Nice one. Okay, last bag for today. Another £100 tomorrow. So, let's finish off with Shield, Britannia's, 2005 Britannia, more of the same. Is this going to be a bust bag to finish? 2019 Shield. Yeah, bust bag to finish, but never mind. I'm not too unhappy with that because I found a Newton. Nice. Beautiful coin. Okay, see you tomorrow. It's a Shield! My first 20 Shield. How amazing. It does look like it's been in circulation for a little while.